What are the steps to search for hidden Bluetooth devices?
Hello viewers! In this video, we will be covering the process of searching for hidden Bluetooth devices. Bluetooth technology is incredibly handy, but sometimes the devices you want to connect to are not immediately visible. So, let's dig in and discover how to unveil these hidden gems.
What is a hidden Bluetooth device?
Before we dive into the steps, it's essential to know what we mean by a hidden Bluetooth device. A hidden Bluetooth device is simply one that is not readily visible or detectable when you scan for devices in the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, laptop, or other devices. This could be because the device is set to a non-discoverable mode or due to interference from other electronic devices.
Turning on Bluetooth.
The first step is always ensuring your Bluetooth is turned on. On most devices, you can do this by going into your settings menu, selecting Bluetooth, and then toggling the switch to On. On a Windows computer, you can find this option in the Devices menu within Settings. For Mac users, you can find this in the top menu bar or in System Preferences.
Enabling Discoverable mode.
The next step is making sure your device is in Discoverable mode. This is an option available in your Bluetooth settings. On some devices, this mode is automatically enabled when you turn on Bluetooth. However, on others, you may need to manually turn it on.
Searching for devices.
Once Bluetooth is turned on and your device is discoverable, you can start searching for hidden Bluetooth devices. Depending on your device, you may see an option to scan, search, or pair new device. Tap or click on this option to start the search. This step may take a few moments, so be patient.
Pairing and connecting.
After scanning, your device should list all available Bluetooth devices within range. From this list, you can select the device you want to connect to. You may be required to enter a PIN or a passkey, which should be provided with your Bluetooth device manual. After this, your device should connect, and you're all set. That's it. Now you know how to search for hidden Bluetooth devices. Remember, Bluetooth devices may be hidden due to range issues, compatibility issues, or because they're set to non-discoverable mode. Following these steps should help uncover them. I hope this video has been helpful, and happy connecting!